Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to our simple but elegant Victorian ceiling tiles, a style we have been proudly selling since Sealoom began over 50 years ago. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Victorian 2x2 ceiling tiles are made from our Featherlight series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more adaptable than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. Don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right in the USA. These tiles give you the look of a classic fretwork ceiling, plus the important features you only get from Sealoom. And with 12 designer colors and finishes to choose from, Victorian will bring easy elegance to any installation. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Century ceiling tiles are the perfect border partner. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.